your liver. And again, when I teach longer workshops, I love to look at the different sides of the body and what we really hold there and why we hold there, like what's the left and the right side and why and how it affects us, and why some people, have a lot of weakness on the left side of the body or the right side of the body and so on. And this is profoundly interesting. But again, that's a longer exploration. But when we look at the liver, it is a masculine experience. And this particular organ, again, stores a lot of toxicity, but it stores anger, hatred, and even rage, right? And again, there is wisdom and reason for why we need to understand this, and why those emotions that we don't like give us a great opportunity for vitality if we learn how to turn them around, if we learn how to use them properly, if we learn how they can work with us instead of against us.